GWRE Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question. I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With Guidewire Software, I can tell you that with 0.10% increase, it's not like gonna be the craziest thing ever. But what's good about this is that since I made the last prediction, we've been just doing the exact same bias. So that means, 2 months ago when I called out this bullish idea, the bias been following exactly that. You can see that we did manage to kind of come down, double tap this, and then just kind of went. I mean, no doubt I'm expecting the highs to get cleared out at like 219. So yeah, other than that, like randomly getting involved, it's not going to be happening. So ultimately, if there is no sort of double break, why the heck would I be buying? I mean, that's even like a quick question that I'm just reassuring myself. Because man, I would rather stick to my 40,000 videos receipts documentation other than trying to reinvent the wheel, because that's worked and I know I'm going to be okay. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.